What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Nissan Cube remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2011 to 2014 Nissan Cube, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2025. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and take a look at the bottom of the key fob. Off to the one side, we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that. Push in, keep some pressure pushing in on the screwdriver, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the key fob case. Then what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in the crack in between the two halves of the case, and just carefully and slowly kind of work my way around, sliding it like that. As I do that, it's opening the key fob case even more. Just take your time, go around, and then once the case is open far enough, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands, like that. Now we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, that's by that metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then we can snap the battery down into place. Snap the two halves of the key fob together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.